Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Sapien token on Binance Alpha. So Sapien just get list on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your top here and go to your search box and type Sapien. And you will find Sapien here. You can click it. Then this is the chart. It's not bad, I think. So you can consider to buy it, but it's not financial advice. You have to do your own research. You can also click info here to see the details. You can see the 24-hour high and low, also the volume, and also the total supply. You can also check the audit here and the square. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price here, it's up to you, and also the amount here. Also, you can choose instant. You can swap your USDC or other token to Sapien. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.